fundamental step in medical diagnosis for patient follow-up relies on the ability of radiologists performing reliable diagnosis from acquired images. We present a performance and experience analysis conducting a study of touch and traditional environments. The advantages of touch are a threefold that motivated us. First, understand how time performance can be superior regarding the traditional use. Second, trying to bring more intuitive controls. And finally, understand how in less time the user interface could deliver more information per action concerning annotations to be consumed as a dataset. Presenting our prototype, we develop a simple user interface that can annotate a DICOM image. Deactivate the annotation interaction to freely interact with the image. We can also disable and enable those annotations. A small number of radiologists is used in the tests. 3 of the 5 radiologists used in the test have shown that touch environment is better classified than traditional environment. Although we must consider and understand the other 2 radiologists' results. Responses to the final questionnaire suggest that both interactions are adequate for analyzing medical images. Moreover, no radiologist reported discomfort, dizziness, or fatigue in neither environment. We define a high accuracy annotation whenever a score of 3 points is reached. A low accuracy is defined whenever the score of 1 is obtained. Now, combined with the higher number of interactions, the time performance of touch environment suggests that in less time, the radiologists perform more annotations. This brings us to a new conclusion that touch is more informative in sense where more annotations are provided. We analyzed the performance using several metrics including time, number of interactions, hit rate score, and errors. Since the data collected does not meet the applicability preconditions required for ANOVA, where does not follow a Gaussian distribution and also the number of samples is small, we resort to use the Kruskal-Wallis analysis of variance to test the performance and experience that is useful for testing between subjects effects for 3 or more conditions. Thank you. Please visit our research page.